Okay, so hello everyone, Chastov here. So in this episode, I'll teach you how to play Thru These Tears by LANY. So may mga nag-request na ituro ko yung song na yun. So ngayon, I'll teach it again in an easy way. English tayo ngayon para kung may foreign viewers, maintindihan nila ako. Much better if you have a capo para mas madali. Kasi if wala kang capo, mostly puro bar chords yung i-play mo. Like B, G sharp minor, F sharp, puro bar. So, sinet ko ng second fret capo para na tatlong bar chords, isang bar chord na lang ang kailangan mo i-play. All of the chords that I will be playing is relative to capo on the second fret. This will be A instead of B. This will be A. There are only 4 chords that is used mainly on this song. It just repeats. Ulit-ulit lang siya. There are 2 passing chords. Yun lang yung medyo iba. So the chords is A, A major. Okay. So you can play it with the pinky or without the pinky. Or without. Second chord is F sharp minor. Third chord is E, E major. Last chord is D. So the intro, verse, chorus, bridge, yeah, and the ending. Yeah, basically that's the whole progression. A, F sharp minor, E, and D. Yeah, for the intro and verse, yeah, pwede mo siyang i-play. You can play it like just 1 strums. Yung count niya, 8 counts per chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp minor, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Intro and verse. On the pre-chorus part where it goes, every day I let go just a little bit more. So on that part, so the chords is B minor, C sharp minor. This is D, so you can play D here. And this is E, you can play E here. So you play this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 2 counts per chord. Every day I let go just a little bit more. The chorus part, you can play how I played it. You can add this if you want. So, yeah, basically yun lang yun. Again, intro and verse, yun lang yun. So, all the same chords. A, F sharp minor, E, and D. And the last chord, D, before the pre-chorus, there are only 4 counts lang. So, again, verse to 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And before the pre-chorus, the D, only 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chorus. So, instrumental part. It's the same chords, but you can play this. Then F sharp. E, then B. You can also play So basically that's it. Yeah. Diskartehan nyo na lang kung paano nyo siya tutugtugin. So on the bridge part, going towards the last chorus, mas bagay. It's much better to play like all downstrokes. On the outro, parang bumalik lang siya sa verse. So same chords. Okay? Yeah, that's it. So sobrang dali, diba? Very easy. So pakita ko lang rin, if you have no capo, you can play it like this. So the chords will be B, G sharp minor, F sharp, and E. So yung passing chords will be same. Yeah, if you have any questions, just comment down below. Yeah, so maybe I can address it. Yun lang. So yeah, next video I'm going to upload tutorial is LANY din again, Taking Me Back. Yun yung next na upload ko na tutorial din for LANY. Okay, so yeah, sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. And click subscribe if di pa kayo nakasubscribe. Hit the bell as well para ma-notify kayo every time I have a new video. And yeah, thanks again for watching. And yeah, social media, follow me on Instagram. It's chest off. Kung mahilig kayo mag-Instagram. Okay. Again, thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!